I feel like I'm daydreaming all the time, and I love to think about you know my imaginations kind of. So when I look at something, uh, it reminds me something different as well.
Hi, I'm Aiko from Tokyo, Japan.
I'm a fashion illustrator, and I've been doing for 5 years now.
I'm like a youngest child. I have the two older sisters, and what I was wearing was always my mom's clothes or my sister's clothes in my childhood. And I really liked to customize old clothes to suit myself. So this is how I got into fashion.
Since I love handmade and crafty things, I really care about the hand drawing.
During the residency program, what I am trying to do is making a pop-up book with augmented reality.
So I'm trying to mix analog and digital illustrations together. If I combine the latest technology, it would be something new. And that's the thing I've never seen before.
Well, eventually I realized that everything and my interests and my life are all connected.
I'm so excited to make my pop-up book, but the thing is, I'm not sure how to make them. So it's gonna be a big challenge for me, but I wanna push myself harder to accomplish and make it happen.